Hi friends, my name is Durga Prasad. Today we will discuss a concept about time and work. I already discussed this time and work concept in my previous videos. You can watch those videos in our YouTube channel, Quantitative Aptitude by Durga Prasad. So I shared 3 time and work videos. Now this is the new video. This video is about time and work questions of alternate days. Alternate days. Alternate days means A and B working on alternate days. In how many days work will be completed? This type of questions they will ask you in your examinations, quantitative aptitude subject. So here, for example, A, B complete the work in 20 days and 30 days. I'll give you a basic idea again. LCM of these two values, LCM of 20 and 30, 60. 60 units is the total work we are taking. 60 units is the total work. Total work is 60 units. So this 60 units is given to A. Then he will complete 3 units in a day. 30 days, B will complete the 60 units. That means 2 units per day. If A and B working together, time taken by A and B. Time taken by A and B. We discussed this formula WET. Work is equals to efficiency into time. If it is time, then work by efficiency. What is the work here? 60 units. By efficiency of the 2 persons is what? 5. Then how many days they will take? 12 days they will take. Together. If they are not asking together. If they are not asking together. If they are not asking together. If they are asking a condition. If they are asking about a condition. What is that condition means? See, A and B worked for 9 days. Then A left. Remaining work by B. In how many days? Very easy question this one. Because of this efficiency method. See this efficiency method. Efficiency means every day A will complete 3 units. B will complete how many units? 2 units. That means together they will complete 3 plus 2, 5 units. But they worked for how many days? 9. That is 5 into 9. 45 units is completed. Out of 60, 45 units are completed. Remaining how many units are there? 15. Remaining work, how many units? 15 units. Is assigned to which person? B. In how many days? That is time is equals to work by efficiency. What is work here? 15 units is remaining work. Efficiency 2. That is 7.5 days he will take. 7.5 days he will take. So same process. That means somewhat same process we will approach here to solve the questions. See here. The question is given like this. First try to understand the question, what they are giving, and you will know what you have to do. Sorry. See here. If A comma B can complete a work in how many days here? 20 days, 25 days. A will complete the work in 25 days. B will complete the work in 20 days. General method I will discuss first. That means A will complete the work in 25 days. Then A 1 day work. A 1 day work. 1 by 25. B 1 day work is what? 1 by 20. In what time the total work will be completed if they are working on alternate days starting with A? That means first day A will goes to work. Second day who will goes to work? B. Third day A will goes to work. Fourth day who will goes to work? B. This pattern will goes on. This pattern will goes on. That means every 2 days a constant units of work is completed. 2 days. This 1 by 25. 1 by 20. This is the value will be added. That means LCM is 100 here. 4 times cancel, 5 times cancel. That is 9 by 100 values. 9 by 100. That means in 2 days, 9 by 100 units will be completed. 9 by 100 of the work is completed. 9 by 100 of the work is completed. But here you require one work should be completed. Here you require one work should be completed. One work means approximately 9 multiple, which is near to 100. That is 11 times. 9 multiple near to 100. And 99 by 100. 99 by 100. How many days? 22 days. 23rd day, who will goes to work? A will goes to work. Why? Because on odd days, who is going to the work? A is going to work. A will complete in one day 1 by 25. But here remaining work 1 by 100 is remaining. Will he take total one day? No. Question mark is equals to 1 by 100 into 1 by 1 by 25. That means 1 by 4 of a day he will take. Already 22 days are completed. Now 1 by 4th of a day he is taking extra. That means answer for this question is 22. Answer for this question is 22 1 by 4 days. Answer for this question is 22 1 by 4 days. So some of you will feel, sir, this much of time we won't have while you are attempting the questions in the examination. I know that, because I know that. That's why I'll give you another method. With that method, you can solve this question. That means after a little bit of practice. I can't say directly without practice you can solve the questions, but with a little bit of practice, you can solve these questions very easily by using that efficiency method. By using that efficiency method. What is this efficiency method? What is this efficiency method? That is LCM method. A, B. Time taken of A and B is 25 and 20. Take LCM 100. That means 100 units is the total work. Efficiency means 1 day work. See, 100 units is given to A, then he will complete in 25 days. If the same 100 units is given to B, then he will complete in 20 days. That means every day 4 units he will complete, 5 units he will. Observe this, friends. First day who is going to the work? A. Next day B. A, B, A, B, and so on like this. This pattern will goes on. 4, 5, continuously 4, 5 units. 4, 5 units. That is 9 units will be completed. 9 units will be completed in 2 days. But we require how many units should be completed? 100. Multiply with 11. Multiply with 11. That is 99 units are completed. In how many days? 22 days. 22 days, 99 units are completed. Now we will take a simple step. Remaining how many units? 1 unit, sir. Who will goes to work on 23rd day? 23rd day, that is first day, odd day, third day, fifth day, seventh day, like that 23rd day, who will goes to work? A. A will complete how many units per day? 4 units. 4 units in 1 day. But remaining work is how much value? 1 unit, sir. Then 1 unit will be completed in how much time? 1 by 4th of a day. 22 1 by 4 of days. 22 1 by 4 days. Sir, if 2 units are remaining, if two units are remaining, if 2 units are remaining, sir, if 2 units are remaining, and B is going to work, sir, then what we will do? He will complete 5 units per day, then 2 units are remaining, then 2 by 5 is the time taken to complete that work. That's it. No need to think more. Let me discuss one more question here. This is about 3 people. This is also very easy. These questions are not tough questions. You will feel the questions are tough, but it is not tough questions. 12, 15, 20. 12 days, 15 days, 20 days. Time taken. LCM take it. 12, 15, 20. LCM. I told you LCM method also. Take big number. Is this divided by all the numbers? No. Next multiple, 40. No. Next, 60. Yes, LCM is 60. That means total units is 60 units. Efficiency, write the efficiency now. 5 units, 4 units, 3 units. So they are working on alternate days starting with A. In what time work will be completed? See, ABC, ABC, ABC and so on. 543, 543 and so on. That means total 12 units. How many days? 3 days. But here you require how many units here? 60 units. You require 60 units should be completed. That means directly multiply with 5 because multiplication is direct value here. 12 into something value is 60 directly. So 60 units is completed in how many days? 15 days. Are you feeling, are you understanding this one, right? I hope you will understand. If you are understanding this concept, please share with your friends about our YouTube channel because it will be helpful to your friends also. Those who are preparing for all competitive examinations. So these methods are useful for them. So let me discuss this question. 3 persons are there. Same, but a different approach because the condition is different. 12, 15, 20, condition is different. Remaining all are same. LCM is 60 units. That means total work is equals to 60 units. A will complete every day how many units? 5 units. Here 4 units, here 3 units. What they are saying is if A works all the time, that means A is not working on alternate days. A is working on first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, and so on. Every day A is working. A is working. Then who is working on alternate days? B and C are working on alternate days. That means first day A, B is coming to help A. Second day, who is coming to A? C is coming to A to help A. Next day, who is coming to A? B. Next, C. Like this. This pattern is goes on. Next, B. If you observe this thing, A and B completes 9 units because A and B together completes 5 plus 4, 9. Next, A and C together, that is 5 and 3, 8 units. 9, 8, 9, 8, and so on. Observe, 17 units are completed. 17 units are completed. In how many days? 2 days. I hope you are following this one. 2 days, how many units are completed? 17 units. But here, how many units work is there? 60 units. But we can't get exactly 60 by multiplying with 17. 17 multiples are not exactly 60s anywhere. Either it should be 3 or 4. If it is 3, then it will be 51. If it is 4, it will be 68. 68 you can't take because it is exceeding our work. 3 only you have to take. 3 17s are 51 units. Completed. In how many days? 6 days. Next day. Which day? Next day. Who will goes to work? 7th day. 7th day. Odd days. Who will goes to work? A and B together will goes to work. Then 9 units is completed. 1 day. That means 60 units are completed or not? Yes. How many days, sir? 7 days. A is working all the time. B and C are working or helping A on alternate days. Then work will be completed in how many days? 7 days. These are the alternative days working. The questions which are asking in your competitive examinations. Thank you. Thank you for following our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.